Welcome back to Tap Tech. Before we start, imagine opening a tablet so big, so sharp, and so powerful that it quietly replaces your laptop, your sketchbook, and your entertainment setup at the same time. That is exactly the promise behind Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. And today, we are diving deep into everything we know so far, what is strongly expected, and why this tablet could become the most powerful Android tablet ever made. Stay till the end, because one small upgrade near the end of this video could change how professionals use tablets forever. Samsung's Ultra tablets have always been about pushing limits. Big display, top-tier performance, premium build, and a focus on creators, students, and power users. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to take that formula and refine it in ways that matter, especially for users in the US and other premium markets who demand performance without compromise. Let's start with the design. Samsung is not expected to reinvent the wheel here, and that is actually a good thing. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is rumored to keep its massive 14.6-inch class display, wrapped in a slim aluminum body with flat edges and a clean, professional look. This tablet is expected to feel more like a premium laptop than a casual tablet. Thin bezels, minimal branding, and a solid, balanced weight that makes it feel expensive the moment you pick it up. There are strong expectations that Samsung will slightly refine the thickness and weight, making it easier to handle despite its size. This matters a lot for people who use the tablet for long work sessions, drawing, note-taking, or media editing. Small changes here can make a big difference in daily use. Now let's talk about the display, because this is where the Ultra series truly shines. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to feature a dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a high refresh rate, likely 120 Hz or higher. Colors are expected to be deep and accurate. Blacks should be true black. Brightness is expected to be strong enough. For indoor and outdoor use, especially for professionals who work on the go, Samsung has always led the industry in display technology. This tablet is expected to continue that tradition. HDR content should look stunning. Text should appear razor sharp. And multitasking with multiple apps on this massive screen should feel natural and comfortable. There's also talk about further improvements in anti-reflective coating and eye comfort features. For users in premium countries who spend hours staring at screens, this is not a small upgrade. It is a quality of life improvement that makes long sessions easier on the eyes. Performance is another major highlight. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to be powered by the latest flagship level processor. It's likely a custom-tuned Snapdragon or an advanced Exynos variant, optimized specifically for Galaxy devices. This chip is expected to focus not just on raw speed, but also on sustained performance and efficiency. In real-world terms, this means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, better performance in heavy apps like video editing, photo editing, and 3D rendering, and improved gaming performance with stable frame rates. Samsung is also expected to offer generous RAM and storage options. This is important for users who treat their tablet as a serious work machine. Large files, multiple apps open at once. Smooth performance without slowdowns. One area where Samsung has been quietly improving is software optimization. With One UI for tablets, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to offer a desktop-like multitasking experience. Resizable windows, split screen, floating apps, and improved drag and drop functionality. For professionals and students, this means you can research, write, edit, and communicate all on one screen without constantly switching devices. For creators, it means a smoother workflow from idea to final output. Now let's talk about the S Pen, because this is a core part of the Ultra experience. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to ship with the S Pen included, which is something Apple still does not do. This pen is expected to offer ultra-low latency, making it feel almost like writing on paper. For artists, this means precise strokes and natural pressure sensitivity. For students, it means accurate note-taking. For professionals, it means quick annotations, sketches, and ideas without delay. Samsung is also expected to continue improving palm rejection and handwriting recognition. These small details add up, especially for users who rely on the S Pen daily. Battery life is another key focus. Such a large display.
Samsung is expected to pack a massive battery inside the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. The goal here is all day.
Use, even with heavy multitasking and media consumption, fast charging is expected to return, allowing users to quickly top up the battery and get back to work. For people in premium markets who value time and efficiency, this is essential. Audio is often overlooked, but not here. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to feature a quad-speaker setup tuned by a KG with Dolby ASM support. This should deliver loud, clear, and immersive sound. Whether you are watching movies, editing videos, attending video calls, or listening to music, the audio experience is expected to be rich and balanced. This makes the tablet a true entertainment powerhouse when work is done. Camera performance on tablets is usually not a priority, but Samsung still takes it seriously. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to feature upgraded front-facing cameras, possibly with improved ultra-wide support for video calls. This is especially important for remote work and online meetings. Better framing, clearer image quality, and improved low-light performance can make a big difference in professional settings. On the back, the cameras are expected to be capable enough for scanning documents, quick photos, and occasional video recording. Not a replacement for a smartphone, but more than good enough for tablet use. Connectivity is another area where the S12 Ultra is expected to shine. Support for the latest Wi-Fi standards is almost guaranteed. There may also be a 5G variant for users who want constant connectivity without relying on hotspots. For users in the US and other premium regions, this flexibility is important, especially for travel and remote work. Security and ecosystem integration are also expected to be strong. Samsung Knox is expected to be present, offering enterprise-grade security. Seamless integration with Galaxy phones, Galaxy laptops, and Galaxy wearables is also expected to improve. This means easier file sharing, instant notifications, and a more connected experience across devices. Now here's the part you need to hear carefully. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is not just about specs. It is about replacing multiple devices with one powerful machine. For students, it can replace notebooks and textbooks. For creators, it can replace a drawing tablet and a basic editing laptop. For professionals, it can replace a secondary work device. And Samsung knows this. That is why the Ultra series exists. If Samsung delivers on expectations, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra could set a new standard for what an Android tablet can be. Not just bigger, not just faster, but smarter and more capable. So should you wait for it if you want the biggest display, if you value the S Pen, if you want serious multitasking on Android, and if you want a premium tablet that feels future-ready, then yes, this is one device worth waiting for. And here's the final thought. Tablets are no longer just content consumption devices. They are becoming true productivity machines. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to be Samsung's strongest statement yet in that direction. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure you stay connected with TapTech, because the moment official details drop, you will hear it here first. Thanks for watching. This is TapTech, where future tech meets real-world use.